Hey, Justin here. This brand new Winnebago Ekko is getting some modifications. It is being upgraded with a 5G Wi-Fi router and a Starlink Mini. The Starlink mount is from Tectonic Overland. It's built from aluminum with stainless hardware. It can be mounted either flat or flush. On this Ekko, we went with a flat mount directly to the roof, since those have a flat roof, and we were able to route the cables through the sealed port down into the van. The 5G Wi-Fi router is from Epic Off-Grid, and this one is paired with an optional roof-mounted antenna. Super efficient. It only consumes less than 10 watts on average, which is up to 10 times less than a Starlink. For the wiring, we rewired a couple USB ports in the back of the Ekko and a cigarette lighter style 12 volt into a dedicated fuse block in the rear cabinet. That gave us the power so that we could power both the router and the Starlink Mini. And then for the Starlink Mini, we put in a on-off switch. That way we can minimize power draw by shutting it off when you're not using it. So this gives the customer more manual control. When cellular coverage drops off, they can fire up the Starlink. This Winnebago Ekko is leaving the shop with a whole lot more connectivity than it arrived with.